Oh!
Ow, shit! Ow!
We got it!
That was sexy. Get it off.
Holy shit, we got it!
That was fucking sexy.
Alright!
Shit is hot. Let's do it again. One more.
We have been out here for literally like a fucking hour trying to light that bitch. And we got it.
Let's go second. I know, well, it kept going. I was like,
Let's go for round 2.
I don't have the next one.
Hey, where'd you put it?
I was like,
Oh, it's right there. Get that.
I was saying, you guys throwing it again?
Yeah.
Are you still going?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Oh shit. It's so hot. Where's the other one? Let's go. Let's do it again.
Alright, it's going on Twitter.
All these where's the other one? You see? We gotta get that wall down.
It's going blaze.
Alright, you ready? Alright, come on. You gotta be ready.
I got you.
Alright. Brock has 2 in his hand. I know, we need a third person. Here.
Wait,
Put it, weren't
it
you
was like
lighting
right
outside?
here earlier. You see that like hole? Put it in there.
I can't get everything in there. Beckett's gonna fires.
No wind, hurry.
Hurry. Yeah, there's no wind. Get it. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, fuck.
There she blows.
It's flaming.
Spark.
Come on, no wind. Come on, light up.
Yeah.
Make it,
Brock, get yours more that way.
Come on
There you
now.
go, there you
Come on,
go.
cheater. Check it.
Shit!
Let's go! Oh, yes! Here we go.
Oh my god!
That's the double.
Right there.
2 right there.
Did anyone get the spark to kick on him?
That was 2.
Let's go. Oh.
Alright.
Oh. Shit, that was tight.
Hey,
That was tight.
That was worth it.
that was hell. That was straight up hell.
The phone like hit me in the head.
Alright, let's go back. Alright, that was tight.
Alright,
I'm not
yeah,
going back.
we're done. Alright.